Hey everyone, if you're seeing this error, the parent theme could not be found. You will need to install the parent theme Divi before you can use this child theme. Don't worry, this just means the child theme you're trying to use depends on the Divi theme, and either Divi isn't installed or its folder name was changed. Let's go over the two most common causes. First possibility, Divi simply isn't installed. To fix this, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, Themes. If Divi isn't listed, head over to your Elegant Themes account, download the divi.zip, upload it to your site, install it, and activate it. Then, reactivate your child theme. Second possibility, Divi is installed but the folder name got changed. This often happens when you download Divi more than once. Windows or macOS might rename the folder to something like Divi-1 to avoid overwriting the original. To fix this, log into your hosting file manager or connect via FTP. Navigate to wp-content/themes. Find the folder named something like Divi-1 and rename it to just Divi. That's it. Once Divi is properly installed and named, your child theme should work perfectly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Divi fixes.